Trucks by Paula Hannigan. Mobile cranes lift big, heavy cargo. Dump trucks drop piles of dirt. Monster trucks bounce over rows of cars. Steamrollers squish dirt for roads. Tow trucks haul broken cars away. Fire trucks save the day. Excellent job, readers. The end. And as always, please remember to subscribe and smash that like button. Thank you. Want to become a better reader? Please check out our fun activity books. We also have premium composition books available now. For more information, please visit our website at itsreadingtimekids.org or visit our Amazon storefront page. Do you love music? It's Reading Time Music is now available, streaming on all platforms. Thank you.